x squared. Now for cross method, we upgraded. Upgraded to what? Now I have x squared. I also have y squared. So how do I do for this kind of question? So let's say 4a, 4a, still 4a. This is where we stop, am I correct? Okay. So 3x squared plus 10xy plus 7y squared. So I do the cross. So now 3x squared. What multiply what will give you the 3x squared? X and 3x. Thank you. Danish and Hadi. Pass to them. The consent form for tomorrow. So definitely this is 3x, this is x. Am I correct? So far okay, huh? What about the y square? This is 7y square, right? So what do I have? 7y and y, right? So far okay? Because y times y will give you y squared. Now let's try some cross multiply downwards. If I multiply downwards, what do I get? 3xy. Multiply upwards, 7xy. Now what is the thing I want to check? I want to check whether I got plus 10xy or not. Do I have plus 10? Yes. So both sides must what? Plus and plus. This is plus and plus. And therefore, what is the answer? So I copy the first one. So I write 3x plus 7y, close bracket. The second one below, x plus y. Is that okay? Okay. Now, can I agree that after I factorize, I will have two brackets, right? So now I start. Evelyn, what do I put in the first blank here? 6p squared. Now, to get 6p squared, do you agree is 6 times 1? Should I try 6 times 1? 6p and p. Is this okay? Yes, huh? Now, what do I do in the third one? What do I write here? The next one? 5q squared. Wrong. It should be negative. Then this one is minus 13pq, right? Okay, now I continue. I know this is q and q, but what do I write? 5 and 1, right? 5 and 1. So I just try 5 and 1. So now I try, if I multiply downward, I'll get 6p cubed. Agree so far? Okay so far? If I multiply upward, what do I get? 5p cubed. I got a problem, right? Because 5 plus 6, 11. 5 minus 6, about 1. Right? 1 or minus 1. So cannot get 13. So I got to use another color, or if you have pencil and eraser, you just erase it. So erase what? Erase the 6. Because 6 can be changed to another number. What can 6 be changed to? 2 and 3. So I write 2 and 3. Evelyn, do you follow the process thought? Now, Evelyn, we try again. If I multiply upward instead of 5, now I have 15p cubed. 3 times 5 is 15. If I multiply downward, instead of 6, I will have 2p cubed. Then I ask myself, can I get the 13? Yes. I want minus 13. So is it 15 minus 2 or 2 minus 15? I want negative 13, right? So 2 minus 13. So this is plus, this is minus. Right? 2 minus the 15. So this is minus, this is plus. Now I do a last check. Check what? Check that minus 5 times plus 1, is it minus 5q squared? Minus times plus is minus. Okay, okay, this is very good. Now I'm ready to write down the two brackets. So I start. 2p minus 5q. Next one. 3p plus q. Do you follow so far? Okay, can I pause the video here? When I do this column, is it a plus column? No, this is a multiply column. Multiply means what? I will ask myself minus 5q times plus 1q, and the product is minus 5q squared. Ashraf, okay? Yeah. Similarly, this column here is a multiply column. Only the third column is a add subtract column. It's an add column. Okay, so you must know the three difference. Okay, I pause the video here.